The video will start soon. Enjoy this clip first. Like, comment, and subscribe to show your support. Each one really does help. And just to make this clear, it would really help out my channel. It would help me grow. And, it's kind of repaying me for me helping you out with this. Anyways, let's get into the clip, shall we? Alright. Hey everybody, Ultra Ocelot here, and today I'm back in this burning house, and yeah, I haven't left yet. I'm not taking proper fire safety measures, Anyways, so I'm going to show you guys how to build the alarm system I have down in the basement. Now, anyways, so, yeah, let me go put out the fire over there. Alright, so now that we're back, what we're going to do is we're going to go down there and put out the fire, alright? So, let me just walk over here and try not to step in any, grab a bunch of these real fast. Alright, that should be good. There's still any left? I don't think so. Alright, so, now that we're good, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be showing you guys how to build this and shit. Yeah. So, let's get right into the video. Oh yeah, but before we do, just make sure that you like and subscribe, all that stuff. It really helps out my channel, and since I'm a small channel, yeah, I'd really appreciate it, and it would help me grow bigger, and since I'm helping you guys build this thing. Alright, now let's get into it. Alright, so once you're ready to begin, you have your house. This is just an example house. You don't have to have this specific house or whatever. Anyways, you need these supplies, and the emerald is a bit expensive, but you can get it easily through trading with stick villagers or fletchers. Anyways, so pause the video or take a screenshot of these supplies or whatever you need to do. Alright, now I'm going to take all these supplies out. You'll need 1 sticky piston, 1 lever, 4 blocks of choice, an observer, 8 redstone dust, 7 repeaters, 6 blocks of emeralds, and 7 no blocks. Alright, so first off, of course, we're going to set up our lever, okay? The lever is probably... I mean, you all know we need a lever or something to power it. You can't have, like, redstone without something powering it. Alright, as I was recording, I found out that levers do not work on glass, apparently. Yeah, this might be a bug, so I'll report it to Mojang after the video. So, yeah, don't place your lever on glass like I did. Just move, like, I'll show you what it does. You place this here, and the power just won't go through it. So, anyways, let's just replace this and put this on wooden planks instead. Okay, so now we have this over here that I just built. You're gonna need another one like it. You could do this if you want to use an extra block, but to save a block, just do this. It still works. So then you put a sticky piston like this, okay? You're going to put one note block over here, and now you're going to look at the note block and move down a little bit and place the observer. It should be to the point where this little face thing is looking at this note block. So what this is doing is it's powering the redstone, and the sticky piston pushes the note block forward, which then activates the redstone over there. So put 3 redstone over here, put a repeater like this. So now you're going to put 3 down. There should be 1 every other block. Do that same thing here, but this time put 1 behind here. So now you're going to put 2 redstone over here. But before you go placing your note blocks, you're going to put some emerald blocks down here. This is important as it's going to determine what sound the note block will make. So if I put it on the sandstone, for example, it makes kind of like a hard rock sound. Well, if I put it on the emerald, it makes kind of like an 8-bit sound. Alright, so place down your note blocks over here. And let's test this out. Oh yeah, and make sure you put a block like up here, so that way the note block does not make any sound, and you can just do this without that. You don't really want that extra bit over there. So now if we power this, there we go. We have this. It's a little alarm system, but if you want to tune the note blocks or whatever, that's fine. You can tune it however you like. It's your alarm. I can't really control that. Alright. There's a bunch of different ways that you could format this, and I'll show you guys a couple different ways you can make this so that you can kind of shape this to your own builds if you don't really understand what I'm doing quite yet, which is okay. Everyone's been there at some point, you know? Alright, the video's basically over, so if you want to just click off right now, go right ahead. I'm going to explain a little bit more on how this is working. Alright, so over here, I have my redstone, my sticky piston, and the note block. As you can see, this pushes it like this, you know? But if I wanted to extend it, like let's say I wanted to extend it over here, or I want to make it, you know, set off multiple or whatever, you can do this. So basically, you can make it go up or down or however you want to do it. You know, you can basically place a redstone line however long you want. You can place the piston facing in any direction as long as it connects back up to an observer. So like over here, there's observers and there's a note block. So if I place this, in fact, maybe I want to extend it really far. So I'll place this many blocks, place this over here, or maybe I want to place it like over here, so let's just do this. Oop, redstone, and you'll need this to go over onto the note block. So, alright, so here's an example. This will go up, this, and as you can see, it can power 2 of them at once. So if you wanted to do that, something like that. Or you could use observers to send the strength off. But if you're going this kind of way, I wouldn't recommend using observers. Just use normal redstone. So just like that. Although over here, you'd want to get rid of that because that would connect and ruin the whole thing. Alright, so anyway, we also have over here this stuff. Now let's say I wanted to tune it. Or maybe I wanted to place multiple different kinds. Then let's get a sandstone block. Alright, so now let's play it. And that would work too. You can tune it however you want. You can place the blocks however you want it. different blocks do different things, and I'll show you guys on screen possibly what blocks you can use under there to make different sounds. And yeah, if I think of anything more, I'll put it in the video after this, but I think this is it. Right. Oh yeah, and just a little bit more. There's a little bit I forgot to explain. Alright, so for example, there's the repeaters over here. What they do is they send a signal through another block. So if this gets activated, it'll send it through the note block to the next one. You see? So if I wanted to do this, I'm going to put a repeater over here and a lever over here. So maybe I want to do this and I want to make something kind of hidden, you know? I could do this. You know, and if pretending that it was actually hidden. So you see, it sends it through, and you can make stuff like that. So that's why I used the repeaters there. As for the redstone, it's the only thing that can kind of change directions in a way. Since repeaters can only send it one way through, it can't go multiple. So I use this to kind of make a curve, you know. And over here, I have to kind of curve it around a little bit. But feel free to play with this however you want, you know. If you want to try making a different design, you know, maybe you want to make this multiple layered, or maybe you want to make it, hide it, or maybe farther, however you want to hide it. Maybe you want to make it longer. Maybe you want to make it even smaller and just go into a square instead of like a rectangle. However you want to do it, you know. You can just try it out and eventually you'll get there, okay? I just wanted to add that after the video. And anyways, thank you for going through with my video. This is like one of the first ones I've done in a very long time. And I don't really have much experience with YouTube, so bear with me as I try to figure out this algorithm together and try to improve the content for you guys. Maybe I'll even re-upload this sometime as like an improved version. But yeah, and also I really do hope to put out new content and make it a lot more frequent than I was last time. I know I said this before, and didn't actually do it. But yeah, if you like this kind of content, I'll probably make more in the future. So that's another reason to subscribe and like the video. But yeah, you know. I'm also planning on making animations. So if you're interested in animations, kind of funny animations, they're a little bit inappropriate humor, but if you're okay with that kind of stuff, you might want to check it out. If you're watching this in the future, it might even be up, you know. Yeah, I'm not sure if I really have much else to say, but yeah, so just expect more uploads from me, and if I'm not uploading, just know that I really am trying to upload. I just don't have too much to make right now. But if that happens, just wait patiently, and I'll eventually upload more. Okay? And again, like, comment, subscribe, and stuff. It really helps me out. Since I helped you out, it's only fair. And yeah, peace. Alright, there's a little bit that I have to go over, just in case you're confused at the end of the video. Block of choice, it is not, its own block. Like, it's not really, anything. Like, here's how I made it. Like, if I had a, black concrete, it's really just black concrete, and I'll show you. It's this one. So, if I do this, and I just enchanted it with Power 1 like this and called it block of choice. As you can see, it says black concrete. It doesn't actually mean that it's like its own block or whatever, if you're thinking that. No, what it actually means is that you can just use whatever block you want. If you want to use stone, if you want to use wood, if you want to use dirt, if you want to use sand, maybe even if you want to use diamond, that'd still be fine. Any of that would work. It just means use whatever block you want. Anyways, yeah, just comment, and because it really does help me out, and I'd love to hear your feedback because I'm kind of just starting this back up, my YouTube channel and all that stuff, from going inactive for a long time, and feedback would really, really help me out, and maybe I'd use it to improve in the future. All right, that's all I have to say. Bye.